Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can wear a tie. This whole process will take around 5 minutes. As in this video, we will see all the steps slowly so that you can follow simultaneously. This video is put mirror effect so that it's easy for you to follow. Tie has two ends. This is called the fat front end and this is called the back side of fat end. The other side is called the slim end. This is called slim end. To wear a tie, you should put a tie on your neck like this, and the fat end should be below and the slim end should be at the top. It should be up to the length of our chest. Now you should make sure the front fat end should be facing outside. Now you should make a X. The slim end should be below and the fat end should be above it, like this, and the connecting point of it is called the X point. You should hold that with one hand throughout the tying process. And now there are 4 ways to put a tie from. One is called outside the tie hole, like this, outside the tie hole, and the another is inside the tie hole, like this, and the third one is called below the tie hole, and the fourth one is called above the tie hole. Now the first step which we will do is we will put the tie outside the tie hole, like this. We will take it outside the tie hole and we will leave it to fall down. Now the second step is we should take tie below the tie hole, like this, below the tie hole. We will take it from below and put it on our shoulder. Now we should take a tie from our shoulder and put it inside the tie hole. We should take a tie from our shoulder and take it inside the tie hole. Once you do that, the backside part of the fat end will be visible outside, and we will leave it to fall down. Once you do that, make sure the knots are neither too tight nor too loose. Now we will take tie above the tie hole and we will leave it on our shoulder. We will take it above the tie hole and leave it on our shoulder. But before you do this step, there's a tip for you. Place a finger on the X point. It will be very helpful for you in the next step. We'll put a finger on X point and keep a tie on our shoulder. Now the next step is put a tie outside the tie hole. Take a tie from your shoulder, flip it and put it outside the tie hole, like this. We'll take it outside the tie hole. Now the tip which I had given you earlier, this finger tip. Now you should put a tie inside that part where the finger was kept. Now pull it down and the knot will be getting tied. Here at this point you can hold the slim part and pull the tie upwards towards your neck and adjust it how much tight you want your tie to be, and the neck part of the tie you should cover it with your collar. And this is what we say our tie is now tied. Now to lose a tie, you should hold the X point and lose it, and to remove the slim part of the tie outside the X point, and you can remove the tie. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.